The past 2 months have been really dry in the state of New Jersey, causing a lot of dust to accumulate on anything, such as the solar panel. If you stand in the right spot, you're gonna notice how dirty your solar panel are if you currently live in New Jersey. September and October were the driest consecutive month in record history. And during those 2 months, less than an inch of rain fell on average statewide. I did spray water on the solar panel about a week ago to clean off the dust, but it is quickly accumulating on top of it again. The angle of the solar panel are about 25 degrees, which make it ideal to just spray water on top of it. I used to use those two solar panels with a portable generator to run my fridge. Compared to last year, it's night and day compared to how dirty it is. It is a little past noon right now, and when I go to the inverter, you can see it's pulling 1900 watt. When I last sprayed water on top of it, it looked like the wattage went up by 200 watt. That means I increased my solar production by 400 watt because I have an identical inverter pulling in the same wattage. I am planning to get a cleaning kit because that is a significant gain and it should clean it a lot better and also make the solar production a little bit better. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Have a good one.